Hello everyone, Christmas is coming, so I have created a cool fine dining treat you can make at home. Foie Gras Bonbons. So let's make them. Here is what you will need: butter, cashew nuts, whiskey, cream, salt, chocolate, sugar, foie gras and gelatin. The full recipe is in description down below, so don't worry about writing it down. Start by pouring cream into a pot. Add your foie gras, sugar and whiskey, or swap it for another alcohol like a brandy or rum if you prefer. And gently bring it to the boil. And it's been a while since you've seen my food inspector, so let's give him a piece of foie gras for quality control. Spoiler alert, he approves. Simmer everything for around 3 minutes, then blend it until smooth. And don't forget to strain it through chinois so you get a velvety texture. Now add your gelatin, make sure it's bloomed in the cold water first and mix it in. And now it's time to pour the mixture into the molds. I'm using cube molds, but feel free to get creative with shapes. Let it set like this in the fridge overnight, and before you coat them in the chocolate, pop them into the freezer for 30 minutes to firm up. Now you can chop up your roasted cashew nuts into small pieces. You can substitute them with almonds or hazelnuts if you like. Next, melt your dark chocolate using a bain-marie. While that's melting, let's make a clarified butter. Pop regular butter in the microwave for about 1 minute. And once it's melted, separate the golden liquid from the white solids and mix the butter with the melted chocolate. I'm using ratio roughly 3 parts of chocolate and 1 part of butter. And let's complete it. Take your frozen foie gras cubes and dip them into the melted chocolate. And immediately put them in the crushed nuts. And by the way, if you're looking for a unique Christmas gift for someone passionate about cooking, or if they want to elevate their skills, get more creative and build their unique cooking style, learn new techniques or understand the art of fine dining plating, my personal coaching could be perfect surprise. Contact me through my website or DM me on my Instagram and we can create tailored coaching program just for them. Let them set like this in the fridge so the chocolate hardens and the filling softens slightly. And that's it, the foie gras bonbons are ready to serve. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding a pinch of chili for spicy kick or experiment with milk chocolate for sweet version. The possibilities are endless. And if you'd like to learn my 2 favorite canapés you can make at home, check out this video and I'll see you next time.